Good afternoon everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So last time we had completed till question number 1 and 2 was given as a homework. People have submitted their works and it's very good to see. Question number 2 was exactly similar, that is why I did not do it. F naught will be 52 and the next will be 38. Okay, 61 you have assumed the maximum one because it is the maximum. F naught is before that 61 and 61's after is 38. Simply apply this thing. Okay, you will get the answer. Same formula has been used. Now coming to question number 3. Question number 3 is same thing. Okay, you have to find the mean and the modal frequency. So class mark again you find out 1250, 1750, 2250, 2750, next 3750 and 4250, 4750. That is a modal class. Number of families you write it down: 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 12, 22, 16 and 17. Now modal के लिए you need to make sure you have this maximum. Okay, now this is your maximum before this, and after this is the most important thing. Okay, before this and after this is the important thing. So lower limit is how much? 1500. You can already see that your lower limit is 1500, the lowest one. Okay, so F1 is equals to 40, the maximum one. F naught is equals to 24, the before the mod. F2 is equals to the after the one. Clear? 33. You have 1, 2, 3 and H, who will say 1500 and that 500. is your H, your range. Simply apply the formula now. L plus F1 F0 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You will get the mode. Now once you get the mode, you have to compare it with this one. 1847.83 rupees. Now you have to find the mean also. Mean I will not tell you how to find out because full one exercise you have done based on how to find the mean. I don't think you'll have a problem in that. Okay, now question number 4. Mean will be done as a homework. So following distribution, same thing. Okay, wherever you see a range, you have to find out the class mark. Yeah, stay in between here. Class mark is 17.5. FIX, this is XI only. This is XI, this is FI. 17.5, then 22.5, 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5. It's 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Now find the mode and the mean. So the maximum mode, how much maximum frequency is this? Yes, So F1 is 10, F0 is 9, F2 is 3. Your H is how much? Calculate 20 minus 15 is H is 5 and the lower limit is 15. Simple. Is it difficult to find out the mode? I don't think so. Everything has been given to you. Apply the formula and find the answer. Okay. Where is it? Model class is 30 and 50. So lower limit. The lowest limit I have written the wrong. Lower limit of the model class. Okay, this is 30 and the upper limit is 35. Okay, 9, 3 and 10. Apply the formula, you will get the mean, the mode 30.6. Okay, then you find out the mean and leave it to your own. It's not difficult at all. Coming to question number 5. New page. Yeah. Question number 5, class mark. DXI comes out to be 3500, 4500, 5500, 6500, 8500, 9500, 10500. Okay. Now FI, the number of states. These are just data. Okay. Main thing you have to keep in mind, what is FI and SI. Now you will tell me what to do out here. Maximum is this 18. Okay, so model class lower limit is how much? 4000. So out here lower limit is 4000. F1 is your 18. F0 is your 4. F2 is your 9. And H is your 1000. 1000 is like 4000 minus 3000. Okay, it's same throughout. And then you apply the formula. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for mode. Once you have applied the formula, I don't think you will have a lot of calculation mistakes. Okay. However, there are calculation mistakes. You have to overcome it by practicing a lot. Calculators are not allowed, so you have to do it on your own. Okay. Mode comes out to be okay. This was your question number 5. Question number 6 will be homework. Okay. So that's it for today's class. I hope you understood today's class very well, and still you are facing any doubts, then just give me a ping on WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. The query will be solved. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.